Okay, so can we get regulations? We got the U.S. Senator saying Bitcoin is a commodity. There's no dispute about this. He goes more in detail about this situation. And let's break down and see what the U.S. Senator says about Bitcoin. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, the U.S. Senator John Boozman, he says Bitcoin, although a cryptocurrency, is a commodity in the eyes of the federal courts and Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC chairman. He stressed that exchanges where commodities are traded, including Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, must be regulated, and the Commodity Future Trading Commission, the CFTC, is the right regulator for the crypto spot market. Now, Bitcoin is a commodity in terms of what John Boozman is saying, and he is look like a Republican AR from AR, which I believe that might be either Arizona or Arkansas. But anyway, ranking member of the U.S. Senate Committee of Agriculture, Nutrition, Forestry, talked about Bitcoin and regulation, crypto regulation, which I do believe crypto regulation does need to happen, but we'll have to wait and see. Thursday at the hearing titled Why Congress Need to Act, Lessons Learned from the FTX Collapse, the committee is responsible for oversight of the U.S. commodity markets. And he stresses about the Bitcoin is a commodity, and then he's calling FTX collapse a shocking, which I mean, it was shocking, and it did kind of really rock, and not a good way, the crypto market. But I do see the crypto market rebounding from this in time. Now, public reports suggest a complete lack of risk management, conflict of interest, and misuse, and this is a big word, misuse of customer funds. FTX collapse. There is a simple no place for such behavior, especially in the financial markets. No whatsoever. That type of, I don't know, situation that went down there is definitely not. Now, the senator pushes for CFTC to regulate crypto sector, and Senator Boozman proceeds to talk about crypto regulation and empowering the Commodity Future Trading Commission as a primary regulator of the crypto spot market. Once again, he stressed about the whole Bitcoin's commodity. We need to act right now. And so he went more and more into this. So with the FTX collapse, it has gained attention to the federal government, the White House, and even senators in terms of saying, okay, we need to regulate crypto. I do think in time it will happen, but we're gonna have to wait and see. They may take their time to be able to go through this process, but FTX collapse happens, I don't think they want another collapse to happen in the financial market, because that's not good for nobody. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.